I forgot I could just turn
I'll
on.
record you. Let me record you. Hurry. This is Jesse, aka Jalous. He's
Hi.
downtown San Antonio right now. I don't know what to tell you, people. Está loco el vato.
The tree's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't know what's across.
I'm dude perfect. Let's play a game called Go Find Me a Beer.
Now you go speak first.
What's up? Let's play. I got insurance, remember?
Oh wow.
Right, Dad? Yes, sir. That's why we're supposed to stay farm. After I saw the Hoopers commercials.
Who's the Hoopers? Oh man, I don't like right now like this. I usually use a rail. I'm just gonna record me right now. We are downtown. I'm not driving my phone today.
And play up and steak ever.
We're gonna pick them up right before we pick them up.
Oh my god, more water! I'm not driving my phone either. Let's go get present. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the video. Oh, Nick, Dad.
What? Beer? Hey, beer to go.
Let's get to it. My dad wants a beer.
Huh? It's right here. You can get a beer. Yeah. Ain't nothing to do.
See, I told you this is a big walk.
Listen here, guys. I'm not gonna end up on road.
I don't know. Alright. Oh, look at this painting. Water. Echo. Alright, bye.